All right. So feel like with the ring finger, you have the most trouble keeping things muted. It's a lot of times when you went down to play, with the ring finger, that would happen. Getting some kind of chord ringing out there. Everything I'm noticing, I don't know why I haven't before. I guess I can't notice everything. I question, like, if you're really doing a pull off or you're just letting go of the string, because it looks to me like you're just kind of doing this, like putting your finger down and then just kind of letting go. That's not a pull off. That's just a let go of. You're not really doing anything other than relying on the string's vibration to continue going. Like if you do a pull off, you're supposed to pluck the string. Well, that was a fantastic example, wasn't it? Good Lord. Like that. Like, basically, like this. The same kind of stuff you do in here. That's what you want to do over here. So when you're doing a pull off, you are plucking the string. Everything, when you would switch strings, I forgot what the heck it was. I gotta bring it back up. Right, that's where we did. So when you change the strings, you got to get that index finger down as soon as you can. You don't want to do this, where like you put the index down like into a hammer-on from nothing kind of thing, because whatever you pull off to, you need it down in advance. So when I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep my other fingers out of the way here. See, my index is already down. Now, the reality is, the index finger is going to get there like a millisecond behind, like after the pinky. But I want you to think of it like you are moving both fingers, or whatever fingers are going to be needed, move them as a unit, like a chord. Think of it like you're changing a chord. So when you do stuff like this, you're able to make sure that you're pulling off to the note and not just kind of walking backwards like this. Now, when you got it down, you kept it down, which is good. Just want to make sure that it's there on time or in time. Make sure it's ready to go. That's what I'm trying to get at. Also, like, see when I'm doing like the multiple fingers here? See the motion that's happening with my fingers? How they're pulling down? Because they're plucking the string as I'm coming off. If I was to just let go, kind of come out like that. There's a good amount of distortion and compression on this. How would it sound if I took it off? Versus, you hear that? It's like I'm just letting go of the string now. Or like if I do it with this. So there I was purposely trying to just let go of it versus so they get going faster versus so definitely a sound difference is going to happen with the less gain and compression and distortion and all that. So a good thing to do is, well, it's kind of what we're going to be, kind of what this whole new thing is about. Right here, a little bit different look. You're doing a hammer-on from nothing. You're not picking anything this time. No picking. No picking. So this T in the circle, kind of hard to see, but yeah, that's a T in a circle. This is for left hand tapping, or basically the fret hand tapping. It's, at least that's what Guitar Pro calls it. It's a hammer on from nothing. It's a hammer on from nothing. So what you're going to do is you're going to grip the guitar over here. You don't need to hold the pick on this one. Put this back to the normal setting. And do this without the metronome first. Just get used to it. Get used to it. We're going to be in the middle here where you are, in the middle strings, where you're more likely to have a chord happen. So this way you can continue to work on making sure it doesn't. So you do a hammer off nothing. So go ahead, get your index finger like ready to go. And you're going to throw that pinky down and then pluck. Ring finger, pluck. So maybe don't think of it as a pull off. Think about you're plucking the string. You want to pluck it. Pluck the string with your finger. And then you want to make sure that, yeah, jump those fingers down like a chord so that it's ready for the pull off. You want that index finger ready for the pull off. Oh, that was terrible. That is exhausting. Alright, I want to try changing the camera angle here so you can hopefully get a really good look at what the fingers are doing. Yeah, I guess that could work. This way you can see I'm not just letting go of it, I'm purposely pulling down. So the index finger, yeah, the muting has got to be really good. Muting that B string with the pad of the finger there, so this way you can do the proper pull-offs, because you're going to hit the other string. Like, you're doing a proper pull-off, you're probably hitting the other string. Anyway. So yeah, do it without the metronome first. Again, hold the strings down so you keep it muted. And just practice that. Try and get comfortable with it. You don't have to change strings right away as it's showing. Just sort of do that a bit. Get comfortable with it. You can do all the strings too. You just do like that pattern there. With the middle finger. This will make the pinky's almost going this way, but once I've done the pull off, then the pinky's kind of going out like that. Alright, so that's a good thing to do. Again, without the metronome, just practice the motions. Make sure you're getting good plucking. Pluck those strings as you're coming off. Alright, so here is this. Oh my god. Here it is at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. I pulled off way too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 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 and 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. All right, I hope that helps. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new video.